Hi, my name is Christian Hertle and I'm from SFM Systems. And today I'll introduce you to the EIT Manufacturing project Prescriptive Production Assistant. Most companies struggle with rework and quality costs that come with it. Not every product that falls off an assembly line is in good quality and can be shipped to a customer right away. Some of them have to be reworked, and that costs company time, money, and resources. With the EIT Manufacturing project, we want to address these issues by developing SIA. SIA is a shop floor assistant that collects data from the manufacturing process and connects them with qualitative data from the rework workers and helps them reduce the rework time they need. This solution goes beyond state-of-the-art because we connect not only quantitative data from the production processes, but also connect them with qualitative data from the rework agents. With that, we are able to reduce rework by 5%, which results, compared to the costs of our software, to a return of investment of less than 10 days. Additionally, we increase competitiveness in the European automotive industry. We reduce waste and scrap material and improve energy efficiency. And last but not least, this tool is a decision tool involving shop floor workers and bringing them closer to data in the factory. So, what are the next steps? With our partners MAN Truck and Bus and Magna Steyr Fahrzeugtechnik, we will provide a prototype that will be developed into a ready-to-use product by the end of 2021. So let's not waste time and start reducing rework costs in the European automotive industry and bring them to the next level with our shop floor intelligence SIA.